right, y'all, what's good with it? We back at the motherfucking dirt track. Let me stop cussing so much in my fucking video. I mean, still though, they don't care. I mean, only a little bit. All right, so we back at the dirt track. Me and Cam out here. We're about to go ahead and try to shape this up a little bit. The renovation of the Detroit abandoned dirt track thingy. Yeah, it's not really abandoned. It's just a little overgrown right now. But yeah, we're gonna get back to renovating and getting shit done. But first, I'm gonna ride this bit a little bit.
Splice Original.
It's really hard to ride when you're I gotta get better at sending shit. I don't do it enough. There we go.
The ramp right here.
Yeah.
Somehow you got to this.
But that's what I'm trying to figure out. How do you get to this?
This right here. The side of this ramp.
To get over into the berm. Yeah, okay.
Into the berm.
And you take the berm. Boom, round, round, round. And then you go hit this hip. Right?
That's one.
Yeah, and they both lead to the same landing. Just depends on how you want to hit that bitch.
Yeah.
Hit that berm. And then go down there like we said before. But the real question is...
Good.
Oh, I'm smooth. The real question is, what the leads to that? Dude, this is a fat ass. Like, you take all this shit out, dude. Like, look at that. That is just straight. Wow. Okay, man. They're gonna make me get the shovel in here in a second. So now we gotta figure out where this comes from.
Probably just cable cut. Something. You see right there? That one we come in on, dude? It's perfect.
Oh, yeah, it lines right up to this. So this...
Mushrooms.
Ugh.
Wanna know what you could do?
What?
Build a ramp right here, put that right there. Landing ramp. Jump onto that, land right over there. It's a perfect space. It's a fat ass jump.
Yeah. See, this is where you start to realize that it doesn't matter what used to be here, because we're gonna make it into something. There's a bag of dog shit right there. There's a whole ass curb right here, dude.
Yeah, there used to be a driveway in this bitch. This used to be an actual park.
Oh.
Why do you think there's swings and shit?
You know, guess I never thought of that part.
But I'm not gonna lie, I really got a shit now.
Again?
Yeah.
So we gonna take this bathroom break, or?
Yeah. What time is it?
That's a good question. Let's go see what this dude is doing. What are you doing?
I just broke down like 3 big ass branches. There's a berm here. Low-key, you need that too.
I didn't realize how far out the landing went right here. So this used to be a berm, huh? To where? Neverland?
let's work. Yo, it's go time, showtime, never backing down time. One shot, yo, make it count, yo. Crunch time, shine time, make this moment my time. Get a grip, yo, ready, set, go. We bring the thunder. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Bring the thunder. Let's go. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Yeah, it's my time, your time. Step into the spotlight.
You good? I'm smooth. Alright. That actually felt so much better. Landing like you saw that whole thing unfold, bro. That was first off of this. I'm like, oh no. I tried to get off to the side, but it just didn't work. It just didn't work at all.
Yeah, I busted my. Had to go tape my hand up because it's cut open. Busted my booty. This ramp ain't no bitch, I'm telling you. This ain't no hope. But it is some bullshit. Cam's been doing some excavating. All right, so me and Cam both got shit to do. Oh, that's gonna do it for this video, y'all. Hit that like button if you like these types of videos. I'll keep coming back up here and we'll keep this build series going. They literally just showed us where all the shovels and shit are. We're about to come back here and go stupid on this bitch. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see the build series. How you feeling about it, Cam?
Man, that bitch is so sweet.
Man, that bitch is sweet, cuz. That bitch is sweet. But don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Dose.